Yo beautiful people, karibuni sana ndani ya FM Show KE. Kawaida hapa tunakukeep updated with the latest developments in town, na tumekuwa so busy today covering demonstrations in different parts of the country, haswa katika jiji kuu la Nairobi ambapo mambo yamekuwa yameshikana, but also on the other side in the entertainment arena, haswa ikifikia kuhusiana na kanisa la JCM pamoja na aliyekuwa host pale Nyambua Idhagarene pamoja na DJ Sony ambao walijiondoa katika runinga na kanisa la JCM pamoja na TV ya JCM. Mambo yameweza kufunguka, and one thing that has come out is in regards to how this church operates, and mostly in regards to how the people that left the station were treated. Now Nyambu ameweza kufunguka, and Nyambu kufunguka ameweza pia kulitaja jina la DJ Sony Hem ambalo pia limepelekea Muthee Kiengei ambaye ndiye mumiliki wa the whole organization ya JCM kuweza kuzungumza haswa kuhusiana na yale ambayo yanaendelea. Now I want to dive deep into the story ndio tuone what is really happening na ni nini haswa kimekuwa kikiendelea pale katika JCM Church. Now Nyambu 1 hour ago kupitia ukurasa wake wa kijamii wa Facebook aliweza kupost some screenshot Team Kirathimo Imathiro ambayo ni program aliyokuwa akileta pale katika runinga ya JCM. So she has expressed a disappointment na pia kumtaja DJ Sony M, jinsi ambavyo Sony aliweza kutoka. You know, a lot of things have always been said in contradicting to what has really been happening at JCM. Now, watu wamebonga mengi. I want to read this statement that has been issued by Nyambu Idhagarene ambaye alifanya kazi pale JCM, but after some time she left, and it was said that she left on a goodwill, but kawaida hakuna mtu ambaye anajitoa kwa kazi ambayo imekuwa ikimlisha na amekuwa akiendelea vizuri na the whole nini organization na aweze kuongea kitu kibaya kuyo. So I want to read this statement. Amesema, so apparently this photo, or rather this day, has raised a lot of issues and fights. This was on Sunday where I decided to surprise 2 of my fans who had a birthday. Walikuwa wamepangiwa na the rest of the team. I didn't take part in any plans. I just attended with the help of one lady. This team is part of a group we formed na DJ Sony when I was the host of Kirathimo Imathiro JCM TV. And when Sony left, most of our followers left, but mine remained. When my time to leave came, I begged them to remain in the group and promised not to leave the group until they get a host, which I promised not to leave until they get a host, which I did. The board remained even after my exit, not forgetting that these were my followers from when I was in Inoro. Now, apparently, the current host and the HOD, the head of department, are not happy about Sunday occurrence, which, from the information I got, the host was invited not once or twice, and on other events and meetings, but she never responded, but had earlier said that she is way above their class, she can't mingle with them. Remember, the host of Kirathimo Imathiro right now is Tabi, who hosts the show alongside DJ Helper. Now, so the group has been disowned and have been warned never to use the program TV logos from now henceforth, and they should never associate themselves with the same. How dare they come to meet me with the uniform? Hello, this was not my event, for God's sake. I'm here to stand with my people and declare that I'm not interested in anyone's group or sabotage, and in any case, I am the one who voluntarily wrote the resignation letter. Yadhayo, nafaa kuomba ruhusa kumeet mafans wangu. Niko hapa Kamiti Road ngorokwo na mutikende jarie muno. Mstake niongee sana maana nina mengi ya kuongea. And Bishop Ben amereply to this na kuuliza, yani JCM isipotajwa pahali hakuna life huku nje. Why should it sound big to drag JCM TV na shabiki supremacy battle? We can't fight anyone because of fans. Their loyalty depends on friendship and not the channel. They tarnish who took after you. Why tarnish who took after you ventured into another area of career? Tiga kureka kaire tukau koneke yekoru onahuoro huyu dwakionenehia mono. We released you in good faith and we have never discussed anything about you with anyone because we love and appreciated what you were doing on TV and in the church main service. Don't make us look bad for comments. We once placed a bread on your table. Anyway, if JCM is a gun and your bullet can fit in, use it. Huyo ni Bishop Ben. Jambo mbalo limewaacha Wakenya na mambo mengi sana ya kuongea. So I want to read a few comments, people replying to what Bishop Ben said. Namuona Lean Lesi akisema wise man, I love your maturity. Young Bishop anasema wivu bana, furahia baraka ya wengine ukingojea yako, tiga muhahi. Mwingine anamwambia JCM imekuwa mti wa maembe town center. Sonia kumbuki kitu, my bishop achia Mungu. Julia anasema Julia Kagu anasema I'm your fan but I think she has spoken a mind. Mwingine anasema true bishop. Mware waka mawa anasema where this life. Mwingine anasema your wisdom my bishop is always on top. Mwingine anasema pure truth. Mwingine anasema hala. Amonigala anasema wewe na wewe, are you not too classy to be replying a paragraph surely? Alafu this saying they use mutike dejarie muno. What do we have to know? Even Liz after exiting said the same. Roda Maina anasema aye but why? But the truth be said, Liz Gushu left, Soniem left, now Nyambu left, and there are a lot of stories that surround JCM. What is really happening with Modeki and Gay's station? Mbona watu wakitoka pale, they always have a thing against the church. They always have a thing against the TV. With all that this is mbona ikue JCM ndio pekee inakuanga na hizi scandals? A question we are asking because there are a lot of TV stations out there. There are a lot of churches. But have you ever heard churches and stations having the same shenanigans that go on after people exiting JCM? They always have a thing to say. Swali ni je, kwani wote wanakuanga wamepitia mabaya chini ya Bishop Ben? Maana HOD ni Bishop Ben. Nyega igatiriri tiga hejio ni makwa. But the truth will always set people free. Maana wezi niambia hawa watu wote they always see the bad. They don't have any good to show off for JCM. Maana DJ Sonia hajawahi ongea kuhusiana na JCM. That lady has remained silent in regards to anything that happened to her. You know, a lot of rumor zimekuwa zikienea, but she has never come out to support that because you know what, she respects where she came from. The same thing with Liz, but Nyambu naye si mtu mtapaka matope ya nyamaze. Aidhuru tunaachia hapo na wakumbusha hii ni FM Show KE. Make sure una subscribe. Tunaendelea kuwapasha about everything in every corner of the world na wakumbusha hii ni FM Show KE. Usisahau tuna channels zingine ambazo pia tunafanya different stories mostly political. Pale ndani ya Gikuyu FM Podcast, pale ndani ya Celeb Corner KE na pale ndani ya Janja la Mjini TV. Make sure una subscribe na una interact with all these channels because these channels all bring to you nothing but the best of the entertainment industry. Aswa katika eneo la Mlima Kenya. Please, let's meet in our next video. This is FK Mwenda of FM Show KE.